Today I'll walk you through, step by step, how to build a fully customized personal CRM in Notion from scratch. Notion is an incredibly versatile workspace app, and using it to track your network ensures you never lose touch with the people who matter most in your career and personal life. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, we need to set up your core database, which acts as the central engine for all your contact information. Start by creating a brand new page in your Notion workspace and give it a clean, inviting title. Next, click into the empty body of the page, type a / followed by the word database, and select the table view from the drop-down menu that appears. Name this new database something clear and actionable, such as Personal CRM, so you can easily identify it later. By default, Notion generates a primary column called Name, but we want to customize this to fit a networking tool. Go ahead and rename that default property to full name, which will serve as the unique identifier for each individual you add to your system. Now that the foundation is laid, it is time to add essential contact properties, so you can keep highly actionable details at your fingertips. Click the plus icon next to your primary column to add a new property, select the select type, and title it Relationship. This allows you to categorize your contacts into single distinct groups like family, friend, mentor, colleague, or networking, which helps you understand the structure of your social and professional circles. Next, create a multi-select property and title it Connection. This property is perfect for tracking shared interests or noting exactly how you met someone, such as marketing conference, coffee chat, or university alumni, giving you instant context whenever you reach out. To ensure you can actually get in touch with people, add 2 standard properties for contact info, specifically choosing the email and phone number property types. Finally, add a date property and title it Last Contacted, which you will manually update each time you have a meaningful conversation, email exchange, or meeting. With your properties established, you can implement follow-up reminders so you never accidentally lose touch with key people in your network. To do this, add another select property and call it Contact Frequency, where you will define target timeframes for keeping in touch, such as every 1 month or every 3 months. Next, you can use a formula property to calculate an overdue alert based on the combination of your last contacted date and your chosen contact frequency. This formula works behind the scenes to display a visual warning or flag when the time elapsed, since your last chat exceeds your target frequency. To make this information immediately useful, apply a sort to your main table view using the last contacted property in ascending order. This simple adjustment ensures that the individuals you haven't spoken to in the longest time automatically rise to the very top of your list, acting as a gentle visual prompt to reach out. Beyond just tracking dates and categories, Notion allows you to create detailed profiles for deeper relationship building. Hover over any contact's name and click the open button to expand that specific row into a full, dedicated workspace page. You can use the vast canvas of the page body to write down comprehensive meeting notes, logging specific details, action items, or major takeaways from your recent one-on-ones, casual coffee chats, or business dinners. Additionally, this space is incredibly valuable for jotting down personal facts that are easy to forget but deeply meaningful when remembered. Take a moment to note down birthdays, partners' names, favorite coffee orders, or specific milestones like a recent promotion or vacation. Reviewing these personal details right before a scheduled call allows you to go into conversations with genuine warmth and specific, thoughtful questions. To make your database truly functional on a daily basis, we need to create dynamic dashboard views instead of relying on a single long list. Look at the top of your database component and click the plus sign next to your current table tab to add a brand new view. Select the board view option from the menu, which transforms your rows into a clean, Kanban-style layout, and set the grouping mechanism to your relationship property. This instantly organizes your contacts into visual columns based on their role in your life, allowing you to see how your network is distributed and where you might need to invest more time. You can easily drag and drop cards between columns as your relationships evolve, giving you an interactive bird's-eye view of your entire community. You have now successfully built a comprehensive personal CRM in Notion, complete with custom properties, automated follow-up sorting, detailed profile pages, and dynamic visual boards. Having a centralized system like this ensures that your professional and personal relationships are nurtured intentionally, helping you build stronger bonds over time. As a helpful next step, I highly recommend adding your first 5 most important contacts today and filling out their profiles completely to test the workflow. If you found any value in today's video, Hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Feel free to save this video to your playlist so you can revisit these configuration steps whenever you want to expand your database.